Do do do, do do do. Waiting for people. Do 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 do. Hey!
No.
Hey!
Oh, hey,
Stop.
back.
Can't believe you're
yours.
having a party without me. By the way, I have Mouse here. Do you want... Is he fine staying? Because he might make noises.
Wait, oh my god, wait. Do you just want to rate dogs?
We're gonna rate dogs.
I am like Jake Paul.
Well, we're like
me.
the Pauls. Fuck yeah.
She comes on one call once while we're recording and now she's got all this ego. We need to beat her down.
Bro, you haven't even recorded the first Reddit video.
Exactly. Fuck off.
Tommy in it. Who the fuck's that? I only know myself.
Evie, I will kick you
Yeah.
from this entire fucking server. Send your dog pics now, bros. Who's going first?
I'll go first. So, start off dog number 1 here.
Oh, why do I love him? I know it's a meme, but I love him.
Seems like a Chad.
Oh, he looks
Oh my
like
God.
Sam.
He looks he looks exactly like Sam.
Mission, but I'm
Cares
gonna.
about Sam.
Oi!
So, what
Don't
do we rate
you-
the first dog?
Don't you dare disrespect my Samantha Thomas.
Sam is not relevant anymore.
Sam
I
is not
only know
relevant here.
dog.
Evie, I will ban you from the server.
I only know Chad dog.
Here's number 2.
Oh wait, I love him. He gets a 10. He's a 10. He's the
Oh, we're just gonna rate all of them 10.
Yeah.
It looks like it's gonna be outside of my window in the middle of the night and kill
Exactly,
me.
and that's why
I'm
I
so-
love him.
Its eyes.
No, wait. I
look
found the perfect one. I found the
piercing.
absolutely perfect one. Dog number 3.
Oh my god! Karen! No! I feel like me and you have gone down the same road here.
Good. Oh my god, this big dog. I stand.
No. And number 5.
That's fairy. That's a fairy. Both of them
It's
get a
close
10
enough.
though.
Such a cute couple.
Evie, do you want to go next? I'm not prepared to share mine yet.
Wait, what?
We were supposed to prepare these beforehand, Evie.
Evie!
What did you even do? We spent like 10
What
minutes.
are you doing?
Discord's playing on
Evie!
Evie!
my Discord.
Oh my god, right.
That's dog number
Oh.
1.
He gets an 11 out of 10.
Yes, he gets a 15. Oh, he's such a cute little fluffer. Who's gonna shed all over your bed?
So iconic.
Do you remember that one scene from the SpongeBob film?
The Patrick one.
Yeah.
Oh my- Okay.
These are just like. There was that.
Oh my god.
I just had a little. You having an orgasm?
So while we're waiting, how are we all doing?
No.
How
While
how
we're
are we
waiting.
all doing?
Shit.
Oh, Karen, what's up?
I'm completely awful.
I have a
What's up?
can of orange juice instead of like sparkling water orange juice.
Why is orange juice in a can?
I don't know. I'll fuck with this.
Dog number 2.
Dog number 2. Fucking. It just looks like the fucking like the Bible accurate depictions of angels.
Can I just say my rating straight
Spewed
off?
dog. Spewed dog. Sorry.
Your rating straight off.
He gets a 10.
He does get a 10. You see, I give him a 12.
You go above and beyond, Kieran.
He deserves it. Look at him.
I'll give him an 8 because he has 8 legs and yeah, I'm smart.
Oh,
Because
so you don't think
I'm
so you
an
don't think he's worthy of a
influencer.
10? You don't think he's worthy of a 10?
Do you not think he's worth? You don't think he's worthy enough for 10?
I'm rating him legs. I'm
Why
rating him
why would you do that?
Fucking
Why, rate him a 10 now. Do it.
Come at
Do
me,
it.
fucking
Rate him.
dickhead. Fuck you,
Fucking
fight
do
me.
it. Come on.
I will fight you. I will fight you.
Kieran,
5
Kieran,
p.m.
that's not
I will
fair.
fight you with this dog.
5 p.m.
I will fight you with this dog. I will fight you with this dog.
Oi, oi, stop it.
Rate the dog 10.
No.
Fine, the dog gets a 10. I was rating
Hey!
legs.
Hey.
8 out of 8 legs.
Shut the fuck up. No one gives a shit. You're a woman. I can say this because I am a woman.
Are you sure about that?
Oi, if I have a dick, I would know about it by now.
No, you wouldn't. It's a bit too fucking tiny.
I will fucking shred you in your
Shut
sleep.
up. You
I'm
have a
sure
mic-
you will.
You know,
I'm sure you
shut
will.
up.
I will be at your
Right.
side of your bed, unsheath your dick, and just punch at it and laugh.
Unsheath my dick. It's not a fucking
Say it.
samurai blade.
Guys,
No, you're right. It's
I
a little
need
butter
to-
knife.
guys, I need
Go
to
on.
introduce.
Go on.
I need to introduce Dog Free. She featured on Drag Race,
Oh.
and here she is. She's iconic.
Look at that ass. I have 3 images, and I'm gonna start us off light. Okay. This is the first image.
Oh, he's so cute.
Meet the gang. Lunch. So
Fuck, here we go.
That cannot go on YouTube. That cannot go on.
I feel I just need to add.
no, I'll just edit it so it's only the bottom part of it, so you can't actually see.
I think the bottom part's the part we have to censor.
You know what? I said you were really bad.
The fuck? Who put the wet drip emoji?
Both of you.
The fuck is wrong with any of you?
I don't want to do this anymore.
No, rate them.
Okay, dog 1 gets a yum yum out of 10. Dog 2 gets a fucking.
No, dogs. Dogs.
Dogs 2 gets a bullet. Dog 3 gets a fucking STD test.
Very good. Very good, sir. Can this be a done? Can this be a done?
That's the end of the video. Fucking
Okay,
end it. I don't
bye.
end the video.
Bye. You put the
Lovely.